Techno Industrial Products GP Series grease pump. Sizes available are 12-liter, 20-liter, 30-liter, and 45-liter. These pumps are used to deliver grease to objects from bucket through air pressure divert. Pressure range is 6 kilogram to 8 kilogram. All the features of these valves make them your excellent partner in automotive industry, industrial fittings, machinery maintenance industry, and many other DIY projects. Now we are seeing working of these valves. We need to attach compressed air to inlet, as shown in video, and we can put bucket in them. When the bucket capacity less than 30 liter, pour the grease into the bucket directly, and then we can use its gun to apply grease to the desired objects. Thanks for watching.